Best Jamaican Dishes Part 1 by Angel Nightingale. Number 1. Jamaican rice and peas. Ingredients: 8 ounces small dried red beans, or 8 ounces red kidney beans. 1 quart water. 16 ounces chicken stock, or 16 ounces water. 1/2 cup coconut cream. 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves. 1/2 teaspoon ground allspice. 2 scallions, finely chopped. 1/2 cup white onion, chopped. 2 minced garlic cloves. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoons kosher salt. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, left whole. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. 214 cups uncooked long grain rice. Directions: rinse and sort beans and place in a stock pot. Cover with several inches of water and soak overnight, or bring to a boil. Boil gently for 3 minutes. Then remove from heat, cover, and allow to sit undisturbed for 1 hour. Drain and rinse beans. Bring to a boil with chicken stock, water, and coconut cream. Cover, reduce heat, and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until beans are tender and creamy. Add the thyme, allspice, scallion, onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet, brown sugar, uncooked rice, salt and pepper. Check the level of liquid over the rice and make sure there is at least 1 inch of liquid. If not, you may add water or broth to cover. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, or until rice is tender. Serve hot as a side dish, with Jamaican hot sauce as a condiment, if desired. For vegetarian, use water, not the chicken broth or stock. Number 2. Jamaican curry chicken. Jamaican curry chicken is a different twist on your typical curry chicken recipes. The heat is fruity and sweet, the spices are warm and inviting, and a coconut milk broth makes it comforting. Give it a try and find a new curry to love. A Jamaican curry chicken recipe made with coconut milk, potatoes, and everyday spices you can find at any grocery store. Authentic flavor and easy prep. Prep: 15 minutes. Cook: 40 minutes. Total: 55 minutes. Servings: 4 servings, about 7 cups. Ingredients: 1¼ pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into 1-inch pieces, about 2 breasts. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 medium yellow onion, finely chopped. 1 red bell pepper, very finely chopped. 2 jalapeno peppers, very finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced, about 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon minced fresh ginger. 3½ tablespoons curry powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 3/4 teaspoon allspice. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper plus additional to taste. 2 medium Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and diced. 1 15-ounce can light coconut milk. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1½ teaspoons white wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon hot sauce plus additional to taste. Chopped fresh cilantro. Prepared brown rice, quinoa, or cauliflower rice, 4 serving. Instructions: sprinkle the chicken with salt. Set aside. In a Dutch oven or similar deep, sturdy pot, heat the oil over medium. Once it is hot, add the onions and cook, stirring occasionally, until the onions begin to soften and turn translucent, 5 to 8 minutes. Stir in the red bell pepper, jalapenos, garlic, and ginger. Cook, stirring often, for 2 minutes. Add curry powder, turmeric, allspice, and cayenne. Cooking, stirring constantly, until spices turn deep gold and become ultra fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the chicken and saute for 5 minutes, stirring often. It should look golden on the outside, but does not need to be completely cooked through. Add the potatoes. Cook, stirring often, for 3 minutes. Add the coconut milk, Worcestershire, vinegar, and hot sauce. Stir to combine. Bring to a simmer. Continue to simmer, reducing the heat to low as needed, until the chicken is tender and cooked through, the potatoes are tender, and sauce has slightly reduced, 15 to 20 minutes. Stir every few minutes to keep the sauce from sticking. Taste and season with additional salt or hot sauce as desired. Serve hot over rice, with a big sprinkle of cilantro. Notes: Asterisk Scotch bonnet peppers are the most traditional for Jamaican dishes. So if you can find one, or if you can find habanero peppers, which are the closest substitute, use it here, and omit the cayenne and red bell pepper, and scale the hot sauce back to 1/2 teaspoon to start. Our store doesn't regularly carry either of these peppers, which is why I adapted the recipe to use a jalapeno pepper, combined with a red bell pepper and cayenne to mimic the fruitiness and heat of Scotch bonnet, and habanero peppers. To store, leftover chicken curry can be stored in an airtight storage container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, gently reheat leftovers in a Dutch oven on the stovetop over medium-low heat. You can also rewarm this dish in the microwave. I don't recommend freezing this dish, as the potatoes may become mealy once thawed. Number 3, Jamaican oxtail stew. If you've never had Jamaican oxtail stew, you're in for a major treat. It's rich, super flavorful, with fall-off-the-bone tender meat and creamy butter beans. A true special occasion dish. Before you make it, a few things you should know. Yields: 8 servings. Prep time: 15 minutes. Total time: 2 hours 30 minutes. Cal a serve. 542 ingredients. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 3 pounds oxtail, cut into 2-inch pieces. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 1 large onion, chopped. 6 green onions, sliced, plus more for garnish. 2 tablespoons peeled and minced fresh ginger. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 3 tablespoons tomato paste. 2 tablespoons freshly chopped thyme. 2 teaspoons allspice berries. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1-2 Scotch bonnet chilies, or 2 habanero chilies, depending on spice preference. 3 tablespoons packed brown sugar. 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 14 ounces canned butter beans, drained and rinsed. White rice, 4 serving directions. Save to my recipes. Step 1. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat, heat oil. Season oxtails all over with salt and pepper. Working in batches, sear all pieces of oxtail until golden on all sides. Remove oxtails from pot and set aside in a large bowl. Step 2. Add half the onion and half the green onion and cook until soft, 6 minutes. Add ginger, garlic, tomato paste, thyme, and allspice berries and cook until mixture is fragrant and tomato paste has darkened slightly, 2 to 3 minutes. Add flour and cook, stirring frequently, until no longer raw, 1 to 2 minutes more. Step 3. Remove pot from heat and return oxtail to pot. Add chilies and 4 cups water to the pot and return to medium heat. Bring to a simmer and cover and cook for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. Skim fat occasionally if desired. Step 4. After 1 hour of cooking, add remaining onion and green onion. Stir in brown sugar, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until meat is tender and falling off the bone, 45 minutes to an hour longer. Remove chilies, fold in butter beans, and garnish with green onion. Serve over rice. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe and leave a comment. Look out for more of my delicious recipes. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.